why do we see dreams? Why do we see dreams?
Dreams. This is a phenomenon in which one's soul is sent back from sleep at regular intervals. And the scientists have mentioned it that during the sleep, after a regular interval, precise interval, one's soul begins to sink towards death and then is pushed back towards awakening. And during that period of awakening, eyes move rapidly. This is called rapid eye movement, REM. And if somebody is awakened at that moment, then he will remember his dream. Otherwise, in the subconscious mind, all the dreams sink, and only those dreams are remembered when the person is awakened after the REM, rapid eye movement. And some dreams are shown by Allah, so they have their particular signs, and they are signs which are observable by everybody. Those dreams which are shown by Allah are never false. They are fulfilled. And with the grace of Allah, anybody who is given that dream by Allah always remembers it, and that dream speaks of the future, events which have not been known to man. And during the future, gradually, the message of the dream comes to be fulfilled.